Good morning. I'm just doing normal maintenance work and I didn't expect this to happen, so I thought I'd get the GoPro. So I expected only a couple of roots, but not so much. Kannst du da parken? Nicht über den Schlauch fahren. Mach mal kurz aus. So, I had to tell him to park and not to drive over my hose. Like things happen when they're unexpected. So now I've got rid of the house caretaker and I can finish the work. Don't want no one driving in my manhole here. Just like things happen. Oh, the next one's coming. I'm getting mad here. Now come on. Right then. Actually, I just wanted to give it a flush. Forgot to tell you, this is a rain pipe, so once a year I come here and do this job. Right then. I'm doing this in English on request. Why not? Alright then. Here. There you go. That should do. Well, I've seen bigger ones, but it's okay. Have a nice week. So as you can see, it's not easy to film here on the parking place. I have more routes before, but I think it's not bad. Just wanted to show you. So have a nice week. Till then.